In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can watch HBO Max on your Roku device. Hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So if you're watching this, you're probably wanting to get your HBO Max on your Roku device. Now at the time of recording this video, Roku does not have the HBO Max app available to download on there. They may in the future, but right now they don't. So I figured out a workaround on how to do this, and you would be using your iPhone. You could probably use your Android also. You just have to search your Android app store to find this, but I'm going to show you the steps on how to get HBO Max on your iPhone, and then you would then stream it over or mirror it to your TVs. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do if you do have an iPhone is to download the HBO Max app from your app store. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, now after you download the HBO app onto your phone, go ahead and follow these steps here to download a program on your Roku device. And this will give you the mirroring capability to mirror from your iPhone to the Roku. Go ahead and get your iPhone, and we're going to hop over to the App Store on your phone. Go over to where it says Roku mirroring. Search for Roku mirroring, and you're going to want to get this app right here. This is the app that will help you mirror whatever's on your iPhone to the TV or the device. Okay, so whenever you open up the app, you'll see that it looks like this, and you'll see at the top here it says no device connected. Make sure that your Roku device is on. Tap on that. As you can see, my Roku Express Plus popped up there because it recognized it. And here's the other thing is you want to make sure you're kind of close to your device, your Roku TV or streaming stick, for it to pick up. But once you have it up there on your screen, you'll tap on it. Down here at the bottom, it'll say connect or cancel. You're going to want to hit connect. And now install channel on Roku. You're going to want to hit install. And now it comes up on the TV there. You'll hit add channel with your remote control. It's adding the streamer and it's on there. Okay, now it says to install and launch your streamer for Roku on your phone. You'll see on the phone, you hit done. You'll get some ads that'll pop up on here. That's how they got to pay for the app, because you're downloading a free app. But as you can see, you'll go back to this home menu. Now here on your menu on the phone here, you'll see that you can cast photos, you can browse the internet, you can cast your camera in case you were wanting to just, have like some type of video shoot where you're recording on your iPhone. You can have files cast from your library. You can screen mirror exactly what's on your phone to the TV, or here on the top right corner, you can cast music. Okay, with the app open on the TV and the app open on your phone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to screen mirror by clicking on that, and you'll see that it gives me an option right here, tap to start mirroring. You tap on it and then it wants to confirm, and you'll just hit start broadcast. 2, 1, 0, and right there. Now it's mirroring what's on my phone right on the TV screen, just like that. Easy peasy. And then if you want to stop mirroring, all you do is tap on that icon that says stop mirroring. Okay, now after you've went through all the steps, you're going to want to go to screen mirroring to get your HBO Max app on the TV. Okay, so then now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to mirror or click the mirroring option on your phone to the TV, and then you'll see that I'm mirroring completely like that. Now we're going to go over to our HBO Max app. Okay, so there's the HBO Max, and there it is on the screen. You'll tap on that. Okay, now I have HBO Max on my Roku, and then once you select a movie or a TV show that you're wanting to watch on HBO Max, when you flip it over to landscape mode, then it'll fill up the screen instead of being in vertical mode like this. So that's how you get HBO Max on your Roku device. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and hit a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.